Welcome to the Pointe class of LBallet. These are the people, the dancers of the advanced and the intermediate level. And we are starting with class number 19 of this year. And you see as dancers, it's the whole company, Esme, Sanne, Merel, Sarah, Isis, Ezra, and the last one is Fleur. So we start with 2 hands at the bar in first position. Dears, do move your toes a little now. Feel at home in your pointe shoes. I know it's not the most agreeable feeling, but you have to get used to it. And we start with a pas entendu à la seconde, trying to get really your foot on the tip of the toe, on the point of the shoe. And the mi-plié, and the stretch, and the closing. To the left, and the plié going over, stretching, holding on the tip of the toe, and closing. Without a plié, we're rolling up, on point, rolling 3/4, and going on point, going to the mi-plié, and stretch. Then we turn, parallel, turned out. You can keep the bar now, because you have to roll up, and then taking the arms. If you feel, I'm sure, I'm standing on my balance, try to get your arms up. And then you will notice that your back will slide backwards, and that's not allowed. Then you fall. So holding the back forwards more than normal, because you are really on this point. It is a slow 3/4, and the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And badminton, you plié over and holding on the tip of the toe, going other leg, plié. The feet are not falling off your legs. Don't look down. Relevé, up, holding. 3/4, going up to the mi-plié and stretch. Turn around back to the bar and going forward. Hold your legs together, sir. No gaps in between. Holding. Relax your neck. The head is completely relaxed. Coming up. Turning out. And be very neat with the turning out. Even more than normal. Way to the front, Fleur. And coming up. Now feel you turn out in, yes, and coming up. And take your first position. Now take your own tempo. Lifting the back forward, Esme. Feel that this centimeter you have to be forward. Please take the bar behind you in first. This is the moment. Go up. This is really the moment. And now turn parallel. And now feel where you turn out is really on the top of your legs. Go and turn out. Inside legs. The inside of the right leg to your right armpit and the inside of the left to your left. And now you are standing all right. Ezra, before your right leg was not turned out. Yes, look how stable you are. Yes, yeah, okay. So that is the chance of your life. When you are on point, you can really feel the turning out. Okay, we have the plié. Twice a grand plié in a 3/4. The second one is going on point, and you stay, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, lifting your back over your pelvis to the plie, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, out, out, out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and up, holding 1 and 2 and 3, demi-plie, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, out, 2, 3. In 4th, in 5th, and the last relevé in 5th. In 5th, it's always a sous-sous. Yes, it's always getting the legs in 5th crossed, but not pulling them together. Pulling together means turning in. So really opening it from the inside, the last one turns. And then we have the other side, the whole thing. Arm first, opening, lift your body, and 1, 2, 3. Don't go too deep. And your pelvis is never at the side of your knees, always above. Relevé, holding 3 measures. Plie, up, down, down, up, rolling down. Not pushing the heels forwards. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Relevé. Staying. Arms are a little longer, Sarah. Yes, the back of the hand is rounder. And up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Tendu on the jambe. 1 and 2. Going up, holding, yeah, you have to cross it on points, more than on 3/4. Good fleur, plie, up, down, down, up, down, down, stay. Plie, and 1, 2. Supple arms, let them walk, they are going on. Sissou, holding, opening the legs, they are crossed but open. Plie, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, turn, stay. Hold, hold, open the arm, and finish. Yes, most of you are doing it right now, but remember, the heel is in one line linked with the inside center of your leg. So, Merel, take care. It is really with going down, this is really forbidden. Because then you disturb your alignment of your leg. It's the same as Esra. Be very careful. This is a stable line. And when you are not 180 degrees turned out, it's a pity. I'm also not. And I want it always. But it doesn't help to do this. You are only damaging your knees. And you turn out. So you have an alignment from the center of the inside of the leg to the heel. And this has to be stable in the demi-plie. So when you come from your relevé, you have the freedom to do this, but look, it's horrible. So holding the line at the inside, not shifting the heels. Really, don't do it. It has no use. Remember, all our bar exercise have the purpose to do the pirouettes and the allegro, the jumping part.